Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Wow. This is the one and only Sundown Nightshade version 6 24-inch built by Dave Lieb. The only one in the world as far as I know.
Holy
Got the mobile audio network 8-inch ports. 3 of them. It's about 14 1/4 cubes, tuned to about 32.
Wow. Huge! 24-inch.
Barely fit through the door. I had to take the seat out just to fit the thing in here.
Jesus.
Yeah.
How heavy is it?
It's not bad. It's only about 70-ish pounds.
The whole thing was not too bad?
Right.
Well, it's because it's Neo.
Right.
So,
Exactly.
okay, got it.
I was going for low weight, considering the small car and everything.
Yes, sir.
So,
okay. Wow. What made you go with the triple aeroport system over like 2 airports or just 1 slot?
Space. 10 pounds of crap in a 5-pound bag. You see, I could barely fit them in. I had to trim the central port to be able to fit all 3 of them in there.
Yes, sir.
I mean, they're all right on the edge of the box.
Yeah.
So
you actually have 2x4s epoxy back behind there.
So the box is actually, I guess, stack fab is what you called it, with 2x4s.
And it works as long as it's sealed,
works.
so.
It
Yep.
works. Yeah.
Awesome. Is there a way I can look? I'm gonna look at the back real quick first,
Yep.
and I'll hear it. Wow. That box is actually built in the back of the trunk a little?
I had to get as much as I could out of the car.
That's crazy, okay. Is it gonna demo better with that door shut or open?
It will, yes.
Okay, okay.
Please be gentle closing the door.
Yes, sir, I will. I'm gonna take a picture real quick so that way I don't have to.
Please do. I've been trying to get some views on this thing.
To see how you want it? Yep. Right there's good? Okay. The way the cone is reacting to the pressure, I don't know how to explain it. Hearing a lot of systems, the larger cone, have you noticed a difference, the sound output of it? It just feels a little bit more, I don't know, lower throw pressure. It's weird to explain.
Yeah.
Anyway, I know it's pretty cool though. Yeah, I like that, man. That was awesome. And the sub doesn't look like it's moving a lot, but it's got a pretty big X-Max to it. Do you know, it's like 40 or?
It's just a visual deception thing.
Wow.
A lot of people wonder
It was moving a lot though.
A lot of people wonder why they didn't use the high roll surround that he uses on the Sundown subs.
Yeah.
This is stereo integrity soft parts, obviously.
Yeah.
But it's because just it's so big, it doesn't
Correct.
need as much.
It doesn't look like it, but it's huge. It's,
It
I mean,
is.
from in person, it's big.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Anyway, thank you.
No, thank you.
You're welcome. And this just says Mario
It's
up here?
Mario.
Mario.
It's a Kia Rio.
Kia
I
Rio.
went with the MA from the Mario logo, and then the Rio from the Kia. So
Awesome.
it's Mario.
I'm gonna go look under the hood. Nice to meet you too, man. Well, I appreciate you watching, dude. Hello.
How's it going?
Somebody told me to come check out this. Okay. Now I see why. It's very unique. Wow.
Like a candle. top down and licking up at the gas. A lot of girls can't stand me. They don't really understand me. Can't get half of my family. You ain't get half of my mansion. Lost my home with a gunfire. Nigga part of my empire. Ever since that day, I've been lying laid like a vampire. People say I'm an addict, got a lot of bad habits. Love smoking that broccoli and I love stacking that cabbage. Shout out to my team.
Still played pretty low.
Yes, thank you.
29. It likes that lower frequency then.
Likes around there.
Okay. And it sounds different a little bit. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop